warehouse po.
Yes, yes.
Yes, opo.
Yes. And this is regularly done, no?
Sir, yung pagdating po dyan, I'm not so sure kung regularly. I believe kung as long as may warehouse, may dumating na shipment sila, I believe ganun po.
Do you confirm that your company and your dealings with the other companies in the importation of rice, tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Chairman po.
Yes. And in the importation of rice, you have to have the permits to, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Yes. And do you confirm that you have been issued, Arvin has been issued a number of phytosanitary permits, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Yeah. For example, Arvin International Marketing, Atara. So you're not familiar with the other companies' operations or Rizon, Manus Day?
Mr. Chair, I'm not familiar po.
Okay, okay. Beatus Grain. Yun, kilala mo, si Mr. Warren.
Yeah, si Warren, actually hindi ko pa po na-meet yan si Warren po.
Yeah. So, which of these companies are leasing your warehouses?
Yung tatlo po, yung Beatos, Atara, and Horizon po.
Okay. Okay. Beatus, Atara, and Horizon. Yeah. And are you familiar that which are the ones that have the same address? Yeah. So are you aware that Beatus, Horizon, Manus Day, Atara, their addresses are on the same street?
Hindi ko po na-check po yung mga address po nila po.
Yeah, same street in Manila, no? And then they deliver to you. When they import, sa inyo dinadala sa warehouse ninyo.
Sir, basta as long as my contract for to this po, yeah, when they importation, yun po siguro po.
Yes, and may the committee secretary inform us if, because we also subpoenaed the members of the board of these companies. May we be updated what happened to the invitations or the subpoenas?
Actually, sir, we already reached the point where we sent in contempt order or warrant of arrest. And again, we were not able to arrest them or locate their whereabouts. But we started with invitation, then the usual processor, invitation, then the subpoena, the show cause order, then finally the warrant of arrest. And we again failed.
And so the sergeant at arms has been unable to locate and effect the warrant. No?
Yes, sir. That's why I was told by our OSAD, if possible, we could get the assistance of our enforcement agencies.
Yes. NBI, maybe we can request the assistance of the NBI. Mr. Yao, maybe you can help us because they lease your warehouses. We requested for your copies of your lease contract.
Mr. Chairman, I bring the...
Go ahead, please.
Yes, okay. Sir, Mr. Chairman, baka naiwan ko sa CR. I have to check it po.
Alin nang naiwan sa CR?
Yung contract po, lease contract, dala ko po yung tatlong original po. Can I...
yes, please, go ahead. Or maybe di ako sa akin ng company, Mr. Yao?
Baka maligaw si Mr. Yao. mapunta sa parking lot. Mr. Chair,
Go ahead, Senator Erwin.
can we ask the Philippine Competition Commission na itong mga nabanggit na mga companies ni Mr. Chairman, di ba talaga existing ito? Do you check? How can you check na talagang iba-ibang company ito, or this is just made up companies, corporations by same person? Parang kay Diskaya, may mga St. Timothy, may mga kung ano-ano, St. Gerald, pero isa lang pala may-ari, Attorney Francisco.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Senator, good morning po.
Go ahead.
In our investigations naman po, when we receive information regarding these kinds of activities, we request documents from the SEC and the DTI for their registration documents, for the SEC for articles of incorporation or GIS, and for DTI kung sole proprietorships naman po yung mga involved na entities.
Can you do that, Mr. Chair, with your permission? Can we ask the Philippine Competition Commission to start their investigation? Kasi may duda lang ako, Mr. Chair, na kung hindi makita, talaga hindi makikita kasi isang tao lang ho ito. So we might as well maybe ask the Philippine Competition Commission to start their investigation, Mr. Chair, so that we can pinpoint na itong mga companies na ito, mga dami lang ito, but then they have a mother company, Mr. Chair.
Go ahead, Attorney Francisco.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Mr. Senator. And actually, sir, we can also look into their entire structure kung even at yung mga parent entities talaga nila are connected, sir.
Yes, thank you. Yes, Mr. Yao?
Sir, the contract is there.
So, what have you submitted? Pre-termination of warehouse lease.
Sir, yung contract po, Mr. Chairman. And then,
Okay.
Yeah.
This is with Horizon and Arvin, Atara and Arvin. Okay. Beatus and Arvin. So tatlo lang. Apart from Renzi, just for the information of Senator Tulfo, among the five, based on the import data, the Horizon Enterprise in 2023 was the top, the top importer. 599 SP6, number one rank among importers, Horizon, in 2023. In 2024, Atara was the number one importer. In 2024, Horizon was the number one importer. And so far, number three. And so far in 2025, Beatus Grain Emporium, as of August 13, was the number one. And based on the submission, they are all, three of them are were leasing. They're no longer leasing, is that correct?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. So, where are they now? You wouldn't know, of course.
Sir, alam ko sir pa, nag-ano sila, nabanggit ng tao namin po na nalugi daw nung 2024, 25 kasi biglang bumagsak yung price. Kaya umalis po.
Okay. Number one, tapos nalugi. Diba? They were number one importer, tapos nalugi. Okay. What about ayun, ano? Also, for the information of for the record, on the SP6 of the following, again, Horizon, Atara, Beatus, no? Kayo po ba sa RV nag-i-import pa rin?
Meron po, Mr. Chairman, county.
Yeah. Bakit kaunti?
Kasi We have many items and we are not concentrating on the rice. So yung rice kasi medyo dynamic. Ang presyo akyat baba, akyat baba. So pag wala kang concentration, wala kang focus, may chances na malaking malugi po.
Okay. Sige. May we request the BOC to submit to us your records on rice imports of the mentioned companies?
Yes, Your Honor. We can submit it within the day, Your Honor.
Yes, that would be Horizon, Atara, Horizon, Beatus, Manus Day, Arvin, and Renzi.
Yes, Your Honor. We can also submit, Your Honor, if you may permit at least the top 10, because I think these companies
Yes,
during previous investigations belong to the top 10 importer.
yes, please. Yes, that would be helpful so that we know how much rice they have imported.
Yes, Your Honor. And Mr. Chair, may I also ask the Bureau of Plant Industry, because they're the ones issuing permits, kung when was the last time na nag-issue kayo ng permits for importation dito kanila Horizon at Atara Beatus, because Mr. Yao is saying na lugi raw, and we don't believe that. Number one ka, then suddenly kayo pala, Assistant Director Gismundo, can you submit to this committee?
Yeah, we will provide that.
Kailan sila last na nag-apply ng permit for import? Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. This is also for the PCC, no? But sa DA, ano yung basihan ninyo na pag-issue ng sanitary and, how do you call it? SP6? SP6, no? Dahil lumalabas dun sa mga earlier submissions ng BPI ay, for example, in 2023, ang utilization ng SP6, ito information na galing sa kanila, di ba? 599 ang nakuha ng Horizon, pero ang ginamit lang ay 292 for 2023. Ang Atara naman, 469, pero ang ginamit lang ay 337. Number 1 din sila no ano. Ang Beatus, so far, sa 2025, 389, pero 326 ang kanilang nagamit. So, ano yung basis ninyo para mag-issue ng SP6? At bakit nag-i-issue ng nag-i-issue kahit hindi ginagamit?
Mr. Chair, may I request the one in charge
Yes,
for the
please.
Henry.
Because I understand with the PCC, findings dun sa onions, di ba, which you recommended the penalty of 2.4 billion, the holding of the SP6 or the non-use of the SP6 was utilized to control or manipulate, di ba, the supply of onions. Is that correct?
Correct, Mr. Chair. Yung volume allocation po.
In other words, halos kalahati o ng SP6 para sa onions dun sa 5 kumpanya, no? At mataas pa rin yung presyo ng sibuyas kahit na kalahati lamang nung kanilang SP6 ang ginamit nila. Hindi ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
If I recall correctly, no? So dito, maraming SP6 na naka-issue, pero hindi naman ginagamit lahat. Tama? Bakit ganun? Bakit yung ini-issuehan ng napakaraming SP6 tapos hindi ginagamit?
Mr. Chair, good morning.
Sorry, you haven't taken your oath, Mr. Exconde. Please administer the oath.
Raise your right hand. Right hand, answer my question. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, this public inquiry?
Yes.
Okay, you may take your seat.
Go ahead. Go ahead, please.
Mr. Chair, for the basis of the issuance of the SPSIC or the SP6, we base it on the Department Circular Number 4, Series of 2016, and we issue the SPSIC for the sanitary and phytosanitary purpose, basically for the protection for pest and disease and food safety. And